Okay guys, we have 4 stocks. We're gonna talk about it to hunt for the next week. One of them is already exploding while we talking right now, and the other testing the resistance, and we might have a big explosion coming up. So we build the strategy right now here with you guys and see where you take a profit, where we have a potential for even expanding the profit and everything regarding those 4 stocks. So let's get right to it. Press the like button and let's get ready to hunt, guys. We just not talking here. We just hunt to make some money. So let's get right to it, guys. Okay. First off, let's talk about Camber Energy Incorporation. Yes, we talked about it already. Ticker symbol is the CEI and still bombing, guys. We talked about it, and we talked about even the target, the 0.85 that we're heading right now toward it, and we said the support is the 0.64. Okay, the moment that we talked about it like was lately in live streaming, and we talked about it because we have this descending line, and we said, guys, this is the bottom. Hopefully you saw the video, and boom, here was the bottom, and we cut it here around the 19th of August. Hopefully you saw the video that we did, and again we predicted the price to have explosion around this area, 0.45. So even if you missed the price, the bottom here, there's always opportunity. Look, guys, always we test the support. You get here when we have this candle, you see? Boom, you buy here. Don't buy when you see the price go on 0.56. The massive perfect price here. Okay, so here we cut it again around 0.45, and the price hit, boom, the target 0.58, 0.64, and right now while we speak we have a test around this support, guys. Look, let me go to 1 hour chart. That we have a test around the 0.64 here, boom, a test, as we said here, a test for the support. Always don't buy when we have a breakout. We just wait for the price to come to us, and here we have the confirmation. That's why we see the price jumping again and test the last resistant, or the test that we did it like a few days before around the 0.76. So right now we charging toward the 0.85. We might see the price go to 0.85 by the market closes. Okay, the second one is Virgin Galactic. Yes, we talked about this lately before, guys. We said about the support around the 24, and one of my hunter actually put shorted the stock around the 40, yeah, around the 41, and he was asking me where he want to get out. So the price when it go out and will go up here, he asked me what's happening. So are we going to the 40 again? So as suggests, if we have the price closing here, yeah, you sell, but we have a confirmation and the price never go up. That's why we see a sell-off again, and he took the profit around our awaited price around 24. So look with me, from this price jump, from this massive sell-off, and open the selling short sell here around the 41. It was around the 13th of July. Okay, if you want to have your profit taken around our target 24 from the 41, look how much you wait. You have to wait until the 17th of August. Okay, this is almost 2 months. Okay, so always have a patience. So there's some trade like it will take months to realize and take your profit, and sometimes it's few days. It depends. Okay, so yeah. For this one, we predicted the price to go to 24, and that's what we did, and we bounce. This is good. Here we bounce on 20th of August, and guess what? The sign of weakness when I saw it, we tested the ascending line, the important ascending line from below, and the confirmation and price went down. Right now we do double bottom, and the price is going below the 24, guys. So right now I'm actually worried about Space Galactic, because right now double bottom and the price go below again, and there's no buying pressure. You see, last time we saw the price momentum slow. So for this one, for Virgin Galactic, I'm seeing going toward the 20, guys. Okay, around the 20, yeah, around the 20, we're gonna see a buying pressure again happening very soon. So I will be extra careful because we have a lot of gap for Virgin Galactic. First, around the 21 here, we might see a buying pressure, and the second one will be around the 17. So be careful from these two targets. The 17 will be perfect to buy at 1770. However, we might see a buying pressure and hold up a bit around the 2150. Okay, but the 1770 is the massive support for Virgin Galactic. So be careful, guys, because we have a confirmation for sell-off. And the next one is TCAT. And for this one, yeah, we predicted the price to go to 1423. Congrats about the hunters who hunt for the price, because we said it, guys. Even we didn't test it before. We said the 1423 is it the massive selling pressure, and the price will go down. As we said, when the price go up, I told you guys we need to hold this level around the 11 above, and that's what we did here. This candle, red candle, 1st of September, and we predicted the price to have the test and the rejection around the 1423. That's the perfect price target to take profit. So I got mixed comments. A lot of people, some people took a profit and some people didn't, because they have a problem to act and execute, because they think the price will go even higher, and they have this kind of FOMO of missing out. You see, taking profit always good, guys. Look how much you save, guys. From the 14 until the 10 is too much, guys. Okay, so this is a good lesson for the people who don't take the profit. Here is a good lesson. Okay, so next time take your profit. Profit is a profit. Okay, and this is, take it as a learning experience. Don't think about it like you wish and I should have, I could have. No, just learn from it and move on. Okay, and write it down so you never forget. Take your profit on this level. Put notification, make it automated as possible. Okay, don't make your emotion or mixed. This is the strategy we build here. No emotion, guys. Put a notification, it trigger the price, execute, either sell or either buy. Okay, so for this one right now we're heading toward the $9.22. Okay, for this one there's a technical area that I'm gonna hunt. Okay, we might see a $9.22 hold up a bit. If we didn't, okay, if we didn't hold up and we see a massive buying pressure, or even what we want to see if we visit the $9.22, even 1 hour candle, a wick, guys, a big wick to take us above this level like this. This will be good. If we don't see a wick 1 hour candle, it means we heading toward the $9.80, guys, around the $7.80. Okay, $7.80, excuse me, $7.80, around the $7.80 and $8. We're gonna see a massive buying pressure for TCAT if we don't hold here and we don't see the wick here for the candle. We're gonna see it here for sure. Okay, this will be the last support, and we can capitalize on the buyer pressure that will take us around the $9 again. And the last one we're gonna talk about is HUT. Oh man, this one I think is going toward the massive price around the 12, guys, around the 1280. Okay, for this one, this is the target for me. I will take my profit around this area before the 13. Okay, right now we see a test even for the $10.80. For this one, now we have, if we hold above the 10, guys, would be perfect. Okay, it would be easier for us to go to 12. However, if we go in the big picture, it's really overextended right now. I'm just worrying because right now there's overextended. If we still holding the 10, would be perfect. Even this overextended will have the price will might be over like bought is okay, normal, but we can actually capitalize on the price moving until the 12th. For the 12th, we're gonna see like pretty high probability we're gonna see a selling pressure. Okay, so for this one I will be extra careful. Above the 10 will be perfect. Hold up above the 10 is like it will be easier for our volume because it's crazy volume right now. To test the $12.90 3. Okay, and there's the explosion happening around the $9, guys, the $9.30. This is kind of the explosion price. And again, guys, if you have any question, comment in section below. I'll be more happy to answer your question. And again, let the price come to you, never run after the price. As who? Yes, you guys, the trading Jesus always say to you. And again, guys, if you want pre-market update, analysis of your favorite stock, or one-on-one meeting with me, check the Patreon link in comment section below, where we have exact price value. And hopefully you have a nice weekend, as we have a big weekend this weekend, 3 days, because Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everybody, by the way. And be ready for the next week, for the hunting for the next week, and see you in the next update.